What's up, guys? Welcome to my blog. I am Nikar Parenasan, and today we will be talking about the rules of educational technology and learning. So, let's get started. Before we get started, let's define first the meaning of education, technology, and also the educational technology. Education. Education is defined as the process of gaining knowledge. It's also the process of training and developing the knowledge, skills, mind characters, especially by formal schooling and teaching training. It's also the knowledge and how the application of technology in the human learning. The second one is technology. It is the application of scientific knowledge to practice aims of human's life, or at least sometimes praise, change, and manipulation of human environment. It affects on how individuals communicate, learn, and think. It also helps society determines how people interact with each other on daily basis. The third one is educational technology. According to Collier et al. 1971, it involves the applications of systems, techniques, and aids to improve the process of human learning. Also, according to Association for Educational Communications and Technology 1997, it is a theory about how problems in human learning are identified and solved. Also, it concerned with the overall methodology and self-techniques employed in the application of instructional principles. Technology makes the world a better place, and also it's very useful in our daily lives. It's because functions of technology makes our work faster, com- comfortable, essential, and relaxed. Technology can play a traditional role as delivery vehicles for instructional lessons. It also can play a constructivist way as partners in the learning process. In traditional way, the learners learn from the technology and the technology serves as a teacher. Also, the learners learn the content presented by the technology in the same way that the learner learns knowledge presented by the teacher. In constructivist way, the technology helps the learner build more meaningful personal interpretations of life and her world. Also, technology is a learning tools to learn with, not from. It makes the learner gather, think, analyze, synthesize information, and construct meaning with what technology presents. Technology serves as a medium in representing what the learner knows and what he/she is learning. From the traditional point of view, technology serves as source and presenter of knowledge. It is assumed that knowledge is embedded in the technology. The technology presents that knowledge to the students. Technology like computers is seen as productivity tool. The popularity of word processing, databases, spreadsheets, graphic programs, and desktop publishing in the 1980s points to this productive role of educational technology. With the eruptions of the internet in the mid-90s, communications and multimedia have dominated the role of technology in the classroom for the past few years. From the constructivist point of view, educational technology serves as learning tools that learners learn with. It engages learners in active, constructive, intentional, authentic, and cooperative learning. It provides opportunity for technology and learner interaction for meaningful learning. In this case, technology will not be mere delivery vehicle for content. Rather, it is used as facilitator of thinking and knowledge constructions. From a constructivist perspective, there are five rules of technology and learning. The first is technology as a tools to support knowledge constructions. It is for representing learners' ideas, understandings, and beliefs. Also for producing organized multimedia knowledge bases by learners. The second one is technology as information vehicles for exploring knowledge to support learning by constructing. It is for accessing needed information, also for comparing perspectives, beliefs, and worldviews. The third one is technology as context to support learning by doing. It is for representing and stimulating meaningful, real world problems, situations, and contexts, for representing beliefs, perspectives, arguments, and stories for others. It is also for defining a safe, controllable problem space for student thinking. The fourth one is technology as a social medium to support learning by conversing. It is for collaborating with others, also for discussing, arguing, and building consensus among members of a community. And it is for supporting discourse among knowledge building communities. The last one is technology as intellectual partner to support learning by reflecting. It is for helping learners to articulate and represent what they know, for reflecting on what they have learned and how they came to know it. It's also for supporting learners in internal negotiations and meaning making, for constructing personal representations of meaning, and also for supporting mindful thinking.